let me give you guys some example, and then you can have a go. So what is 3/8 of whatever this is? Okay, so here draw the diagram. So you've got this here. 0, one whole thing is this. Or whatever 76 represents. Um, so if you want to know 3/8 of this, you split your whole thing into 8 equal parts. So hang on. So half there. I'm gonna need 4 up here, and then 4 down here. Okay, so 8 equal parts. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 equal parts, and now because I'm not saying give charity three. I'm not saying give away 3/8. I'm saying what is 3/8 of this? This means it's 1, 2, 3. It's what's remaining with us. Okay, we are not giving anything away. So basically, I want to know this level here. What 3/8? So 3/8 is here. Okay, so but basically, if you want to know 3/8 of this, split it into 8 equal parts. So 76. Split that into 8 equal parts, and then take 3 parts. That's what it means. So all you have to do is get a calculator, clear it. Hang on. 76, your whole amount, split it into 80. Into 8 parts, 8 equal parts, and then you're going to get 3 parts. So that would be 28.5. So 3/8 of this would be this. Okay. Hang on. So this thing here is like a fraction, a over b, and then we times c. So basically, this thing here is the c, and this is a here, and this is b at the bottom here, basically. So this thing here is actually the same as, well, when you times a fraction, it gets multiplied to the top. So it becomes AC over B. So another way of doing this is that you can just times it directly. So you can just get 3 times 76 and then divided by 8. Okay. So for example, you could do this way. This is another method. 3. Hang on. Let me clear it. 3 times 76 equals. So it gets multiplied to the top, and then divided by 8. Divided by 8 equals this. It's still the same answer. See, 8.5. So this is still 8.5. So normally I would ask you, get the whole amount, which is in this case it's this thing here. 7, 6, and then divide into 8 equal parts, and then because you're talking about 3 parts, then you times it by 3. Or another way of doing it, by looking at this, it's saying that, well, when you times a fraction, you can just multiply it to the top. So you could just get 3 times 76 and then divided by 8. That's another way of doing it. Okay? Or another way is to actually move this across here. So you could do 7, 6 over 8 and then times 3. Can you see that? They're all the same, basically. They're all the same, but it doesn't matter which method you use. Okay. So here, what is this? Well, let's draw our diagram here. 0, 1. This would be our whole amount. Now, what it means is that split into 9 equal parts. Hang on, I'm going to need 4 up here. So I'm just guessing here. So that should be 9 parts, and I'm interested in 4 parts. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm interested in this amount. What is this amount here? 4 over 9. What is this amount here? So let's get a calculator out. Clear this. So get our whole amount, which is this. Divide it into 9 equal parts. Equals this, and then get, well, times 4 parts. Times 4 equals 327.11. So there are lots of ways of doing this. You could actually just multiply it to the top and then divide it by 9, or do whichever way you want. Okay. Here's another example. Here, well, this is our whole amount divided into 10 equal parts. So hang on. This is a whole amount, one whole amount, 600 here. This is 0 here. Divided into 10 equal parts. So I've got 5 here. So hang on, 10 equal parts. So this is 10 equal parts, and you want 5 parts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 over 10 here. So so what is this amount? You could get a calculator, clear it. 600. Well, actually, 600 divided by 10 is 60. Okay. Do this. 600 divided by 10. That's divided by 10. That would be 60, and then times 5. You could do that, or another way. Well, if you look at this here, it's actually a half, because look at this here, it's half. 5 over 10 is really a half. So whenever you can simplify, divide top and bottom by the same number, which is 5, and then divided by 5. So this thing here is actually 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So basically, it's a half times 100. Sorry, 600. So this level here would be 300. Okay, so whenever you see this, if you can simplify it. Just remember, a fraction. Whenever you see a fraction, you can divide top and bottom by the same number, and it will be the same thing. So basically, 5 over 10 is the same as a half. Okay.